Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Noble's Speed Scrub 300 20-inch auto scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance and help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we need to replace the pad or the pad holder. Super simple, this is how we do it. Push down on the pad release button. Pull your pad out. Now what we want to do is take the top part of the pad holder off. This time you can put a new pad on there if you want to. If you need to replace the whole pad driver, you can do that. Okay, if you're replacing your pad holder, just take these 3 screws out, get your new pad holder, put the 3 screws back in, get your pad, line it up. Twist the top part back on, just like that. Take the pad driver, slide it back underneath the machine. Push it up, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.